Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to use CJ Dropshipping with Shopify. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to need you to go to your computer browser and of course head on to the Shopify website, that is www.shopify.com. And once you're in the Shopify website, just log in into your account, or you can just sign up if you don't have an account yet. So I'm just going to log in into my account. And next is go to the store of your choice, or go to the store that you currently have. Now once you're in your Shopify, let's go to dropshipping. So I'm gonna go to the dropshipping app or dropshipping website. So as you can see right here, this is the website, cjdropship.com. So I'm just gonna click on that. And since I don't have a CJ dropshipping account, I will just register real quick. And you can register by putting your email or putting your password, or you can just simply log in into Google or register with Google. So we will just do that. We will register with Google right here. And there you have it. I already have a CJ dropshipping account. So next you gotta do is go back to your Shopify website, and here on apps, just click on add apps. And as you can see, there is no CJ dropshipping app, so just go to the Shopify app store right down here and search for the app that you want. So we will search on CJ dropshipping. And of course right here, this is the CJ Dropshipping app. It's free to install. I'm just gonna add app. So as you can see right here, just click on install app to continue. So once you click on that install app, it will automatically go to CJ Dropshipping. So you need to authorize this. And you can also click on the store authorization agreement. Just read on that real quick. So I'm just going to click on this, and I'm going to click on authorize. So as you can see, my CJ Dropshipping and Shopify is now connected. So I'm just going to let you see right here. Just going to refresh that real quick. As you can see, my CJ Dropshipping is already connected to my Shopify. Now let's click on sourcing right here to check if my CJ Dropshipping is connected to Shopify. So as you can see right here, once I click on go to Shopify, it will say that you need to install a Chrome connection or Chrome extension. So I'm just going to click on install now. So wait for that real quick, and you can just add it to your browser right here. It says add to Brave because I'm using the Brave browser. If you are using the Google Chrome, it says add to Google Chrome or add to Chrome. So I'm just gonna click on add right here and just say add extension. So it's still processing, and there you have it. It is already added to my Brave browser. So again, once I go to sourcing right here, and I'm gonna click on Shopify right here, it will automatically lead me to my Shopify. So next is I'm gonna show you how you can actually add a product to Shopify. So first, let's go to dropshipping website right here, and now let's add a product to my store. Since I'm selling coffee related products, let's just search for coffee mugs. So as you can see right here, there are a bunch of coffee mugs you can add, or I can add to my Shopify. As you can see, it is very cheap. Right here, I can buy this one for $3, and I can sell this one for at least $10 or $15. I can get a lot of profit from these products right here. So first, I'm gonna choose a product that I want. So right here, I like this one. So all you have to do is click on connect. And once you've done that, it will lead you to this page right here. So as you can see, these are my Shopify products, and this is the product that I want to connect with. So I'm just going to click on connect right here. So please pin the product you want to connect. So just going to click on that. And there you have it. I've already connected this one. So just click on, so right here, shipping from the China warehouse, because CJ Dropshipping is from China. So just leave on that. And on the shipping method, you can actually select a lot of shipping method right here. They have CJ Packet Super Pure Electricity, Post NL, USPS, China Post, Registered Airmail, CJ Pocket Liquid Line, SF, China Domestic, and so on and so forth. So just click on that or whatever you want. So I'm just going to click on USPS right here. I'm going to click on confirm. Go to connect. So I'm just going to click on this. I'm just going to click on confirm. So as you can see, it is already connected successfully. So I think that's it for this video. So just to summarize, you can go to CJ Dropshipping and connect your Shopify by clicking on this app application right here and just search on the CJ Dropshipping. And once you click on the CJ Dropshipping, it will automatically go to the CJ Dropshipping website and click on authorize. As you can see right here, authorization is successful. And once you've done that, you can now do whatever you want. You can add some products you want to connect to your Shopify website, and that's it. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!